Okay, hello everybody. Let me show you how to synchronize Linrad with a transceiver. The first thing is you have to start rigctrl. This is Hamlib service which you are starting. It's an exe file, and here you specify the model of transceiver. In my case, FTDX10 is 1042 COM port to the transceiver, and you start the service. And next thing, you start Linrad, of course, with implemented support for rigctrl. You select, let's say, CW. And now the transceiver and the Linrad are in sync. Let me jump to 14 MHz. I need to switch to CW on the radio. Now should be in sync. Here, I can demonstrate here with the signal. Okay, now we can rotate Linrad, search for stations, and of course the transceiver will also change. Or you can tune the radio and Linrad will change. If you get outside the waterfall, the center frequency will change. You can see here, for example, I'm moving outside. Here, let's say we're about to move outside the waterfall, and once we move out, the center frequency will change. And the waterfall scale will be moved. Okay, I can switch to SSB. Let me switch to the I need to switch on the transceiver also.
Thank you. Base station Charlie Hotel.
And frequencies here are the same, of course. Okay, that's it. Thank you, and 7-3.